Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add pictures in PowerPoint. So let me go ahead and open up my PowerPoint here. And once I'm there, I'm going to find a picture to open. No, it's on my second screen, so I'm going to drag it over here so you can see it much better. So I'm going to open up, let's use a blank one, right? So let's use a blank one, and I'm going to put something here. I'm going to remove this text box here. So let me just delete that and add something. So add a picture, right? So let's say that's what I want to do, right? I want to add a picture. So I'm going to go ahead and add a picture. Let me move this up to the top here so you can see it, right? So in order to add a picture here, guys, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click on insert. And once you click on insert, you have the option that says picture. If you click on the drop down, you have two options here. You have insert from device and you have online pictures, right? The online pictures simply mean if you click on that, you'll be able to search Bing for that, or you can even access your OneDrive to find photos as well. So you can search on Bing, you can type something like a panda and you can search and it will search for a panda. You can click on that, then click on insert and it will insert that picture. As you can see, it's pretty huge, right? So you might need to resize it. So select one of the ends of that photo. I mean, normally the top or the lower right or left side, and you can just click and drag it to your liking and it will resize to your liking, right? So you'll see it like that. You can also go ahead and insert pictures from your computer as I showed you, as I mentioned before. So click on that, click on the drop down here, select from device, and I'm going to my downloads and I have something. So I might be able to find, let's choose, for example, this picture of myself. Let's go ahead and select this one here, and I'm going to insert that, and I'm going to small it down again and insert it. Now, once you insert the image, you can move it to wherever you want, right? It's really up to you. Not only that, you can, if you look above on the picture format, you see that you have some frames as well. So you can choose a nice little frame to your liking. You can choose something, as you can see, I'm putting something around the panda there. I can use, for example, this one, pretty nice. And I'm going to select something for myself as well. Let's use that. Pretty nice. You can always click the drop down to expand to see much more. It's really up to you which one you want. So guys, that's how you can easily go ahead and insert picture into a PowerPoint document. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.